Incoming. Gross, right? But stick around, because in a few minutes, you'll see what this sticky green blob catches that is entirely too small for your eyes to see. While often dismissed as trapped dirt, boogers represent a sophisticated biological defense system designed to keep you healthy. To see how this system works, we have to shrink down and investigate the microscopic world inside the human nose. We are shrinking down to the size of a single dust particle and heading straight up the nostrils. Take a look at this. The inside of your nasal passage is a massive, cavernous space, and the walls are completely coated in a thick, sticky, glowing slime. Exploring this gooey maze reveals exactly how your body defends itself every time you take a breath. That sticky slime coating the walls is called mucus. Your body produces this substance intentionally all day long. This diagram shows the scale of that production. Your nose pumps out about 1 full cup, or 240 milliliters, of mucus every single day. When you breathe in, the air carries thousands of hazards you can't see, like dust, pollen, and germs, tiny living things that can make you sick. This animated diagram shows how the mucus layer works like biological flypaper. It catches those airborne hazards and locks them securely in place before they can travel down into your lungs. This slime acts as a persistent biological shield, defending your respiratory system against outside invaders. Once the mucus is packed full of trapped germs and dust, your body has to move the dirty slime out of the way. Here is a cross-section of nasal tissue. Those tiny waving hair-like structures are cilia, your nose's microscopic cleaning crew. They constantly sweep that germ-filled mucus backward toward your throat, where you swallow it, and your stomach acid destroys the trapped germs. This continuous microscopic sweeping system runs 24 hours a day, keeping your airways functional and clean every single second. Occasionally, a patch of mucus near the front of your nose doesn't get swept away by the cilia. This diagram shows the process of evaporation. The water inside the mucus turns into an invisible gas and floats away. Once the water is gone, the leftover slime, along with trapped dust particles and germs, hardens into a crusty mass. And that is the recipe for a classic pickable booger. A booger is simply a piece of dried mucus, acting as a graveyard for neutralized germs. When you feel that hard, dried trap sitting in your nostril, your first instinct is probably to dig it out with your finger. Your fingernails can easily create tiny cuts in the delicate lining of your nose. Those abrasions give live germs a direct pathway to enter your bloodstream and cause an infection. Blowing your nose gently with a tissue is the safe way to remove those dried-out germ traps. Respecting the nose's delicate structure is essential to the overall defense system your body uses to prevent sickness. Let's test your memory. What is the scientific name for the sticky slime that traps germs in your nose? It's mucus. And do you remember the exact volume of mucus your nose produces every day? 1 cup, or 240 milliliters. You nailed it. Now that you're an official booger expert, smash that subscribe button to join us for our next adventure. To wrap things up, your nose makes mucus to trap germs. Boogers are simply that mucus dried out, and you should always use a tissue to clear them away safely. Later today, challenge a grown-up to see if they actually know what boogers are made of. Ask them if they know they're walking around with built-in germ traps. Your body makes sticky slime to catch invaders. But what happens when your body intentionally leaks water through your skin just to cool you down? Tap the video right here to find out exactly why we sweat.